Bengaluru's roads tell two very different stories. On one hand, the government is proudly showcasing its new pothole fixing application, which is Raste Gundi Gamana. The Deputy Chief Minister says more than 5,000 complaints have already been filed, 4,000 marked for urgent attention, and over 2,000 potholes have been fixed, many within just 4 hours. But on the ground, the reality is far less smooth. Our team walked through the city, and at the double road flyover, a crucial corridor that carries thousands of vehicles on a daily basis, we found a very massive crater. Not a pothole or a ditch. Cars swerved, two-wheelers wobbled, traffic slowed to a crawl. For commuters, it's not a bump in the road, it's a daily risk that they take. So we decided to put the government's promise to the test. Right there, beside that gapping pothole, we filed a complaint on the application live. The big question now is, will this crater be filled in record time as the government numbers are suggesting, or will it simply become another chapter in Bengaluru's endless pothole saga?
"5,000 potholes have been reported. 4,400 potholes have been filled on priority basis, and 2,200 potholes have been filled in the last 4 days. This is the data that has been given to us by the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivkumar. Right now I am outside, I am at a double road where I can show you a huge pothole that is right in front of us. And this is one of the major junctions of Bengaluru, one of the major roads of Bengaluru. If you go straight from here, you will come at Richmond town. And if my camera person turns around and shows you, we are trying to establish which road is this. And if you go straight from here, it is going to be Lal Bagh. And this is how the situation of pothole is on one of the main streets of Bengaluru. Now, this is not just one spot. There are roads damaged on the other side also. This is the scenario of most of the places. Now, the data that the Deputy Chief Minister spoke about is the data from the Raste Gundi Gamana app. Now, what we are also trying to do is a reality check with regards to this particular app and to see how much of the app actually functions. You can see how difficult it was for the bus driver to move. You can see how car drivers are also moving away from the pothole and are riding. So this is the way in which commuters are moving around in Bengaluru, and we are here to show you that. So that is why what we have decided today is to do a reality check of this particular app that has been launched by the government. And if I can tell my camera person to come a little closer, we will take a picture of this particular pothole on the app. Can I show the app? So this is the particular app that the government has launched for potholes. All you have to do is place a new complaint here, open the app, place a new complaint. It says road repair, click on road repair, mark this location, take a photo of that place. Has it come on camera? Yes, we have taken a photo of this place and we will submit this to the government in this particular app. Okay, let me just write the description. Big pothole in double road. Now we will submit this on the app, and a complaint posted successfully is what the government said. Now we will wait and watch how long does it actually take for the government to fill this particular pothole here, because as per the claims of the Deputy Chief Minister, 5,000 potholes have been reported, 4,400 potholes work is going on, and 2,200 of them have already been completed. We will wait and watch how long does it take for the government to fill this pothole.